In our fleet, we have the 320, we have a 336, a 308, and a 303 Mini. The 320 is excellent for excavating and installing wet utilities due to the simple reason it has enough power to lift a trench box, pull a trench box. It can reach our depths that we're excavating in, and it's quick and efficient.
I would recommend the 320 because it's a mid-sized machine. It is capable of doing Mass X. It's capable of getting into tight areas. It's also capable of doing pipe laying and digging footings, but it's capable of doing what a big machine can do.
Western States stands out from others. They create excellent relationships with the customers, and they go above and beyond to satisfy our needs. We use Western States to help us maintain our fleets. We find it to be more cost effective for them to stay on top of our maintenance. In our line of work, we do small to large commercial projects. We don't always need the bigger machines, so the 320 is the perfect size.